Hey Gary, you said you're having some trouble with your Hulu, so I was just going to show you how to navigate to the different channels you want to look for. Um, excuse me. So I'm here on Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to push down on my arrow. It brings up my channels. And right now, excuse me, if I want to look left and right to see what's coming up, I push right. So let's say I want to see what's coming on at 8 o'clock, Oregon and Washington, or after that, I can keep scrolling that way. So let me go back to the channel again, and I'll show you if you want to see all of your channels instead of just the recent ones. You push down to get back to your channels, and then I'm going to push the left arrow, and that's going to bump me over here to this side where I can now navigate up and down. So if I want to see my recent channels, I can go here down to the full list of channels, and then if I go back to the right, you can see I can slide all the way down and see whatever 100 channels there are. And then further over here on the left, if you want to go down and see what sports are on, specifically what news is on, what movies are on, that'll list them out for you. But I think what you're looking for, Gary, is this channels tab right here. Oh, sorry, this channels tab here, and then move to the right, and then you can see all your channels. I think that'll do it, buddy. We'll see you.